Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to week 14. I wanted to quickly go over what we're going to be doing this week. Um, we're going to be staying with drawing 3 different drawings on Onshape, doing the isometrics and then the multi-view sketches dimensioned. And there are 3 of those problems, 3.63, 3.64, and 3.65. So this is 3.63. She's going to be recreating the isometric and then giving me the multi-view drawing dimensioned, and then same for the other 2 drawings. So they are all linked there. All the files are located here. Obviously, you're turning in a screenshot of those. You're turning in your Onshape screenshot. That's what you're submitting so that I know I can see in Schoology when I go to grade and go to check in Onshape that it is submitted and I can put a grade in for you. And then you're also sharing it with our Onshape team. This allows me to be able to go in and help you either, in person or on Zoom. I can enter your drawing and I can help you figure out whatever problems you're running into. Now, with some of these drawings, they don't necessarily give you all the dimensions, but they give you enough information to allow you to figure out what's going on. So, for example, this one, it gives you the width of the drawing, but it doesn't give you the height, nor does it give you these angles. But basically, getting that information, with just that information, you can figure out what's going on and how it is symmetrical, and it will let you, and you'll be able to figure that out pretty easily. If you do happen to notice that there is a dimension missing from any of these that maybe the book publisher even missed, let me know and I can help figure that out for you. But that is what we're going to be working on this week. Next week, we're going to be talking about section views, so we'll be taking a little bit of notes next week and learning a new type of view in drafting. Sorry, my brain's not working this week apparently. But I will see you guys in class and hope you guys have a great week.